You will need flour, Greek yogurt, olive oil, salt, baking powder, pizza sauce, cheese, red onion, spinach, capsicum, mini tomatoes and corn kernels. Add to a large mixing bowl the flour, salt, baking powder, olive oil and yogurt. Mix with your hands until everything turns into a smooth ball that holds together in one piece. Wearing a safety glove on the hand that holds the vegetable, cut the capsicum in half. Be careful to cut away from yourself. Remove the stem, seeds and white pieces inside. Cut into long pieces. Turn the pieces around and then cut in the other direction to make short pieces. Dice the onion. Start by cutting off one end and cut in half. Peel the onion and throw away the papery skin. Hold the onion making a tunnel with your hand and cut along toward the stem, creating small strips. Then hold the stem and cut across in the other direction, creating little cubes. Throw away the stem. Hold the tomatoes in a small tunnel and cut in half. Time to roll the dough. Put the ball on a piece of baking paper and flour your rolling pin. Roll the dough until it is about half a centimeter thick. Fold the edges to make it look neater. Slide the baking paper onto an oven tray. Spread the pizza sauce over the base. Sprinkle cheese over the sauce, making sure that it is well covered. Add the vegetables in stripes to make a rainbow. Bake for 12 to 14 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, or until the dough is golden brown, the cheese is melted and the vegetables look cooked. Cut into pieces and enjoy.